What's the most common mistake boat owners make with their diesel engines, and how can they avoid it?
I think the most common mistake that boat owners make with their diesel engines is neglect. They don't they don't pay attention to the engine. I don't mean fussing over it like a marine mechanic would, but at least double checking every time before you start the engine. Check the oil, check the belt, see if there's anything, just have a look, have a good visual inspection. That's the number one thing. What kills engines is neglect. Because what might be just a loose bolt, well, then something will break and then we've got more trouble. And, the cheapest thing to repair is the first thing to repair. So please don't neglect your engine. Originally, I wanted to call the books not Marine Diesel Basics, but My Diesel, My Friend. Because when a diesel engine is looked after, they are incredibly reliable. And when you're out at sea and the wind fails, or you're coming into a difficult harbor or difficult berth, having a reliable engine is just amazing. It's just fantastic. So please don't neglect the engine. Simple checks each time you start the engine up.